Welcome back to the channel. Right now I have the chart of Nifty 50 and this is a 30-minute chart of the index. So I think we are coming to an end of this entire sluggish move, of this entire correction. Whatever you want to call it. I would like to call this as a complex correction WXY or ABC, and this being A, this being B, and the last leg as we see probably, and with the completion of monthly closing, monthly expiry, and quarterly closing, I have a very positive outlook on markets going further. Let me plot a trend line and then extend it, and let's see what do I get. So we get a level that is very close to today's low, which is somewhere around 850 to 830 zone, and this is a level that I'll be looking at, and this is a probable support zone from the inverse parallel trend channel. So the thesis that I'm holding right now is still true, that we are going towards 25,000. Nothing has changed. But to take trades and to increase your quantities further, I really like to see if we close above 24,085, 24,090, or 24,100 to be very precise, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That just confirms our overall hypothesis. Even today I've bought 24,200 calls. Let me tell you the exact levels. Okay, so I have bought maybe you could see this. Okay, so I bought 24,200 calls at around 258.77, and another lot of 24,200 calls around 253. And the closing price was somewhere around 270. So roughly I'm up about 17-18 points in first trade and about 12-13 points in second trades. Both are carry forward positional trades. Now the outlook is I'm going to add further long positions in 24,200 calls, maybe even 24,500. Maybe I am not going to go that far. I'll go with maybe, let's say, 24,000 calls the moment we close above this high. So today's high that comes in around 2435. The moment we close above 35, I'm going to aggressively add my long positions, and first tranche of my longs I'm going to add above 2435. Just to give you a overall brief idea, I'm already holding a lot of long positions in Nifty, and this is just a way of pyramiding onto my positions to make higher profits. And the second order I'm going to place above 24,120 zone. So these are the levels that I'm looking at. You do that, then there's a 90-95% chance that you have completed this entire sluggish correction, and then my dear friends, you are ready for 900,000, 1,200, 1,300 points of rise in Nifty. You name it. Okay, so this is the way I'm going to trade it. So tomorrow is going to be a very important day for my overall trades, wherein I am going to have a close watch on the overall open interest and the price action that Nifty is going to present. And let's hope it crosses about 24,000. The overall setup looks as if we are going to cross. GIFT Nifty is showing us a positive opening of 60-70 points right now. So let's say maybe we open at 950 or 970, we rally 30-40 points above. That means we trade about 24,000. We trade for a couple of hours above 24,000. That just gives us an extra evidence that 24,000 call sellers are trying to weaken up, and we are just opening up a lot of room for upside. Yeah, about 24,100 and about 24,200. You don't really have to wait for this breakout. So the highest trading range was around 24,260. If you all know, I was still holding my long positions at 24,260, and I exited them somewhere around here because I thought, yeah, come on, if this is A, then there's a chance that if B is developing, you could come down and see, and that has just happened. Okay, and why I pointed out 24,261 was because I don't think that you really need to wait for a closing above 24,250 to 60 to prove that it's a actual breakout. The moment you close above 24,100, then there's a 90-95% chance, clean chance, that you're anyways going to go above 24,260. Above 24,260, you just need to hold on to all of your in the money long call options and ride it for 25,000. Thank you.